Do your high heels pinch and rub? It doesn't have to be that way. There's a way to dance all night in new heels without discomfort. Even if you have a party in a few hours, you have time to stretch your heels. Our grandmothers used to put potatoes in their shoes. They would peel a raw potato and place it in each shoe. They left the shoes with potatoes inside overnight. During this time, the potato juice softened and stretched the shoe leather without causing any damage. But you don't have to use potatoes. Instead, I'll show you another trick. Before you learn it, see what I use when wearing high heels. Before putting on heels, I always apply deodorant to my feet, especially in areas prone to rubbing, like heels and toes. The antiperspirant prevents excessive sweating in those areas, preventing blisters. For shoes that are too tight, use water. Pour it into drawstring bags and place these inserts in the toe of the shoes. Put each shoe into a larger drawstring bag. Now just put the heels in the freezer. The water will freeze, and during this process, the ice will expand the shoes. After taking them out of the freezer, simply remove the ice bags and you're ready to go. The heels will be looser and won't pinch. You can dance in them all night. What are your ways to deal with too tight heels? Were you familiar with the freezer method? There's a way to dance all night in new or uncomfortable high heels. Even if you bought new shoes just before the planned party, trust me, you have time to stretch them out. The heels won't be tight anymore. You'll forget about blisters and sores. All you need is a simple trick to make the most uncomfortable shoes fit perfectly. Use zipper bags. Place these bags inside your shoes. Adjust the bag to the shape and size of the shoe, then fill them with hot water. Just make sure it's not boiling water. Leave the bags inside the heels for about 10 minutes. By using this trick, you can help the material gently loosen up, making them more flexible. This way, the shoes will better fit the shape of your feet, increasing comfort. When using this method, make sure the bags are sealed tightly to avoid water leakage, and don't overheat the shoes, as that could damage them. The heels will be looser and won't pinch. You'll dance all night in them. What tricks do you have for tight high heels? This trick will let you wear high heels even in the hottest weather. When it's warm, our feet tend to slip, which is very uncomfortable, especially during the season when we often wear sandals and attend events like weddings. There's a way to keep your feet from slipping and your shoes from rubbing. All you need is regular dry shampoo spray. Yes, you heard that right. The same dry shampoo you use for your hair. Take the dry shampoo, preferably in a scent you like. Simply spray the inside of your heels a few times. This creates a layer that prevents your feet from slipping. Not only will you feel more secure, but it also minimizes the risk of blisters. This simple trick can be applied any time, and the effects are immediate. Plus, the shampoo acts as an invisible barrier, protecting your feet all day long. You no longer have to worry about pain and discomfort. It's worth noting that this solution is not only effective, but also inexpensive. Try it yourself and see how easy it can be to wear high heels without pain. Cut a thin sanitary pad and put it in your shoes. You'll thank me for this trick later. Thin sanitary pads are perfect for heels and all other types of shoes. Cut them into smaller pieces and insert them into your shoes. Every woman should know this trick. When your shoes cause blisters, you can use thin sanitary pads. They have rounded ends. Cut them off. You'll have 2 such pieces. They are delicate and soft. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive side. Stick 1 piece inside your shoe, precisely at the heel. Do the same with the other shoe. This will prevent your feet from slipping out of the heels and stop them from rubbing against your heels. It's the perfect solution for women, providing comfort and convenience when wearing heels or new shoes. Since I started using this trick, I no longer throw away dirty or old shoes. Stains, dirt, dust, and unpleasant odors disappear quickly. You can also rescue sports shoes, Crocs, or even other soiled items using this method. All you need are these small balls. Since I learned how to make them, my sneakers, Crocs, and even socks are always clean. To make these balls, you need 2 small cups of baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of any dishwashing liquid and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform paste. You can now start shaping this paste. It's best to make smaller balls from it. I usually use similar ones more often. One such ball is enough to remove stains and dirt from a particular item. You can transfer them to a jar for storage. 1 screw-top jar is enough. To clean sneakers, take a bowl of warm water. Put the shoes in it. Now take 1 ball, crumble it in your fingers, and start cleaning the shoes. You can clean the soles directly with it. You can also dissolve it in water and clean the sneakers with a brush. A few minutes are enough to remove dirt. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide work well on many stains, and the dishwashing liquid enhances their effectiveness. You can clean Crocs in the same way. The dirt disappears quickly, and there are no more stains. Then, just rinse the footwear well, and you're done. You can use these cleaning balls for shoes, socks, clothes, and even other items that need cleaning. Pour salt into your shoes. More and more people are doing this for one very important reason. Let me explain why it's worth trying. Take the shoes you wear most often. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into each shoe. Salt has natural hygroscopic properties. Shake the shoe a little to distribute the salt evenly inside. Leave the prepared shoes overnight. This part is very important. The salt needs time to work, but that's not all. The next day, thoroughly vacuum or shake out the salt from inside the shoes. Now, here's why this method matters. Salt absorbs moisture, which creates an environment for bacteria to grow. That's the main source of unpleasant odors. By adding salt, you remove the problem. It's a simple, cheap, and effective way to keep your shoes fresh. On hot days, your shoes don't smell ideal. I have a solution for that. Discover an effective trick for sweaty shoes that really works. Just a few simple steps are enough to restore freshness to your shoes. The first step is to prepare a spray bottle. Pour alcohol or disinfectant into it, which works great for eliminating the bacteria and fungi responsible for the unpleasant odor. Most of us have such a liquid in our purse or backpack. Next, prepare the shoes you want to freshen up. First, remove the insoles from them. Then thoroughly spray the inside of the shoes and leave it for a few minutes so the liquid can penetrate the material. Next, take care of the insoles. Spray them with the liquid as well, and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Rub the baking soda thoroughly into the insoles and leave it for a few minutes. This product not only kills bacteria, but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Then rinse the insoles in water and leave them in the sun to dry. After the shoes have dried, the unpleasant odor will be gone. Regular use of this method will help keep your shoes in perfect condition. I hope this method will be helpful to you.